Cipadessa baccifera is a small tropical shrub that looks simple at first glance, but inside it carries one of the most complex chemical systems found in forest plants. It comes from the warm regions of South Asia and Southeast Asia, especially India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, and southern China. It evolved in places where monsoon rains feed the soil and sunlight filters gently through the forest canopy. Because of this, it prefers semi-shaded slopes, moist valleys, and the edges of natural forests. Over thousands of years, it has learned to survive heat, humidity, and insects through a combination of clever physical traits and powerful chemical defenses. Physically, Cipadessa baccifera is a woody shrub usually between 2 and 5 meters tall. The entire plant has a neat, balanced appearance. Its stems are slender but firm, covered with fine bark that becomes slightly rough as the plant ages. The leaves are what instantly catch attention. They are arranged in a pinnate pattern, meaning each leaf is divided into several smaller leaflets lined up on a central stalk. These leaflets are smooth, bright green, and slightly shiny. Their shape is carefully designed by nature to absorb maximum sunlight while avoiding overheating. The edges are smooth, the surface is thin but strong, and the veins carry water and nutrients efficiently through the plant. When the plant begins to flower, it produces many tiny white to pale green blossoms. They are not showy, but they are rich in fragrance chemicals that attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. These flowers later turn into small round berries. At first they are green, then slowly become glowing red, and finally darken toward deep maroon or black. Inside each fruit lies a single seed surrounded by a thin protective layer. The berries are visually attractive, but are not suitable for eating. Instead, they serve as food for forest birds and small animals that help spread the seeds. Chemically, Cipadessa baccifera is incredibly active. It is part of the Meliaceae family, a group of plants famous for producing complex natural compounds that protect them from pests. This plant creates limonoids, triterpenoids, flavonoids, and other specialized molecules. These chemicals work like natural shields. Some repel insects, some kill harmful microbes, and others slow down plant-eating pests. Scientists have extracted these compounds in laboratories and discovered that they show activity against mosquito larvae, certain bacteria, and even malarial parasites. The reason these chemicals are so effective is that they interfere with the nervous system or metabolic pathways of insects, while remaining safe for larger animals in small natural concentrations. This chemical talent is the reason why the plant has survived so many environmental challenges through evolution. In traditional medicine, people learned to use these properties long before scientists wrote them down. In village communities and herbal traditions, the leaves were used to soothe skin irritations and reduce swelling. The roots were used in home remedies for fever and stomach discomfort. Some people crushed the leaves to repel insects or placed them near stored grains to protect food from pests. These uses came from observation, trial, and cultural knowledge passed down across generations. Today, researchers are studying the plant to understand how its chemicals work and whether they can be used to create safer, environmentally friendly insecticides or new herbal medicines. Ecologically, Cipadessa baccifera plays a quiet but important role. Its flowers provide nectar for pollinators, especially during seasons when other blossoms are scarce. Its fruits feed birds that help maintain forest diversity by spreading seeds across large areas. Because the plant grows well in partial shade and shallow soil, it helps prevent erosion and supports the growth of other small plants by maintaining moisture and stability in the soil. In recovering forests, it grows quickly and fills empty spaces, helping restore ecological balance. The plant also has limitations. Its fruits are not edible for humans, and if eaten accidentally, they can cause mild irritation. Some of its chemical compounds can be toxic in large or concentrated doses, which means traditional remedies must be used with knowledge and care. Even though laboratory tests show promise, many medicinal claims still require detailed clinical research before they can be officially recommended for treatment. In certain environments, the plant can spread more quickly than expected, forming thick clusters, although it is not known to be highly invasive. The advantages of Cipadessa baccifera are strong. It supports ecosystems, protects soil, attracts pollinators, and feeds wildlife. It provides natural chemical compounds with potential insecticidal, antimicrobial, and antimalarial properties. It has cultural value in traditional healing systems, and it offers scientific opportunities for safer, more natural pest control solutions. Its disadvantages mainly relate to toxicity in high amounts, inedible fruits, and the need for further research. Cipadessa baccifera is a remarkable example of how evolution shapes a plant with both beauty and Biochemical intelligence. It is a small forest shrub, yet inside it is a living laboratory of natural chemicals, ecological interactions, and cultural knowledge. It reminds us that even the most ordinary-looking plants can carry extraordinary stories written across millions of years of adaptation. And for scientists, herbalists, and nature lovers alike, Cipadessa baccifera stands as a quiet but powerful reminder that the natural world still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered.